Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. We are picking these cards, guys. So these are for your sun, moon, and rising signs, Scorpios. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career circumstance, Scorpios. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards here. We have Moon, Tower, and Lilies. So in your circumstances, Scorpios, maybe in your work or in your personal life, in your relationship, you have a lot of dreams and goals for yourself, guys, aspirations for your future, ambitions maybe, and you are planning for that, planning to achieve all that. But in your circumstances today, you are seeing a lot of challenges. Situation is something changing every moment. So whatever you do is not the reason for these changes. Maybe you are responsible, dedicated, and you are really someone with perseverance and grit. So you are trying to do your best, putting in your best of efforts, using your skills and talents. But whatever it is, guys, you are doing, you see some challenges in your circumstances. Something is happening, something beyond expectation. And for some of you, you may have an intuition, guys, in your heart. You will know what is the reason, or you will know what is the right choice when you are making some important decisions today. You will know what is the right thing to do. So some kind of intuition may be working, and maybe there may be some changes in your work. Maybe you are changing the place of work, or you may be seeing some challenging circumstances in your work, or maybe some arguments or quarrels in your personal life. But whatever it is, your circumstances are going to improve, and these negative circumstances or negative energies are going to disappear, guys, going to change. And just like a cycle, there will be ups and downs in life. Just like that, maybe this is a negative way and next wave will be positive. So same way in your life, whatever difficulties you are seeing, Scorpios, all that is going to disappear very soon. And in this relationship with this person, you may have a lot of dreams for your future, plans for your future, and your circumstances will improve. Maybe whatever you see now, maybe some arguments or some bitterness between you both, all that is going to disappear very soon, guys. And with this person, you have a deep connection, guys. Maybe destiny or karma has brought them to you, and that is the reason for this connection. Because with these cards here, no matter what challenges you both are in, you never give up that love you have for each other. And there is a deep bond, a strong bond between you both. And that may be because this may be, this person may be your soulmate or a twin flame. So some kind of connection is there between you both, some kind of karmic connection between you both, guys. So for your relationship, we picked one card. and it is book. So with this card, it just means that you will get that clarity. So in your circumstances, maybe whatever misunderstandings or troubles you are having, you are going to see the truth, guys, and you will know everything about them. Maybe they are revealing their secrets to you, and because they are your soulmate, there is or there will never be a secret anymore between you both, and they are trusting you and they are relying on you, and that may be your energy also towards them. So this is a twin flame soulmate connection, guys, Scorpios. That is what I see. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It's ring. So some greater opportunities are coming towards you, guys, Scorpios. You are going to be really happy, successful, and you are stepping up. Maybe you are getting a promotion, or you are taking up a new venture. Something good is coming in your work situation, Scorpios. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Scorpios. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have Don the Golden Hat, duty. So in your circumstances, guys, maybe in your life, you are someone really responsible, and you are a very wise and a very charming person, and you have certain things you need to do today. Maybe it may be in your work or in your relationship, and you are devoted, dedicated to whatever you do. But people around you, they may not realize your worth, they may not understand you, but the way you are responsible, or your dedication itself will be recognized very soon, guys. And patience is what is needed. Maybe you find yourself in a difficult circumstance, unable to be responsible, and circumstances may be challenging you, but patience is what will work for you, guys. And there is a time of recognition coming, and you will surely be rewarded. And maybe for this love you have on someone, you are doing things, facing a lot of challenges, and going out of the way and helping that person. Maybe they may not realize your worth, they may not realize your help right now, but true love will find its time, guys. So surely this person will understand you. Maybe even if it is not true love, you will get that true love in your life. Maybe with this person you may not feel that fulfillment and contentment. Maybe for some of you, you will this relationship, maybe if you have that true love on this person, even they will reciprocate that true love, guys, and that time is coming very soon. But for some of you, if you are single, if you are expecting a new person, true love is finding you, and that is That is a definite thing, guys, because you are someone who is responsible and who has that sense of duty, and all your good actions will always be rewarded no matter what, guys, what the circumstances will be. So that um, recognition, the time of recognition and success is coming to you very soon, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, guys, that is the reading. So for those who chose this card, the second card, we have Celestite. So with this card, it just means that in your circumstances today, angels or spirit guides are here to help you and support you, and they are here to help you connect with people. Maybe you are shunning away from relationship, maybe and you are just feeling scared, or you are not ready to face some challenges today. But these spirits or angel spirits or spirit guides are helping you, guiding you today, guys. And maybe there will be these spirit guides are coming in the form of perfect guides or friends who are helping you to heal from the past or whatever difficulty you are having. And you need not isolate yourself, you just need to stretch out to that friendship you are seeing today. Maybe some strangers or some people may come out of the way, ready to guide you in certain things, help you out, and you need to understand that these people are people sent by the universe or spirit guides, and they are here to help you and guide you in some way in your relationship, to enhance your relationship. And maybe if you want a true change, or if you want a help from the universe or this crystal spirit, you can just pray within your hearts, guys. Pray towards that spirit, asking for help and guidance, and that way you will have that answer, or some kind of an intuition will be guiding you. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.